smells so good, my lovely flowers. Tabby, get up! We're running out of time to play. Where did we play hide and seek yesterday? Is this your dream, Tammy?
That one? Maybe, but
Yeah, me too. I have also found mine. Look, this one is so beautiful. Why don't you paint your walls with pink color?